guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hero. I'm so glad to have you back in today's video. I'll be sharing with you how to make oxtail stew. This easy oxtail stew recipe is going to be your favorite and you will love to try this out. So to make this oxtail stew, we are going to start by marinating our oxtail. And I'm using 1.5 kg of oxtails, and these have been washed already with vinegar and lime water. Okay, so make sure you wash your oxtails properly. I'll go ahead and season my oxtails with 2 tablespoons of beef seasoning. Okay, you can use bouillon cubes for this. I'll also add in a teaspoon of paprika powder, 4 minced garlic cloves, and a teaspoon of grated ginger. Also go in with a tablespoon of allspice, a teaspoon of black pepper powder, a teaspoon of browning. Okay, this adds to the color of this oxtail stew. Half teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of spring onion, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Lastly, add in 1 cup of minced red bell peppers and green bell peppers. This is just my choice of seasoning. Okay, you can switch all the seasoning around to your own taste. Okay, so I'm just going to mix this up with my hands and make sure this is properly marinated. So guys, as you all know, oxtails are very fatty and they're oily as well. Okay, what I just did, I had to trim off all the excess fat from my oxtail. If you don't have enough time to do that, you can just cook this. At the end of the cooking, you can skim off excess fat from the stew. Now we are going to marinate this for 2 hours. You can marinate yours overnight if you have enough time. Okay guys, after 2 hours of marinating your oxtail, get back to it. Then shake off excess seasoning from the oxtail. I'm just going to pick them one after the other, then transfer to another bowl. And this is it. For the marinade, you don't have to throw this away. You're going to need this later, so you have to keep it aside. Place the medium-sized pot on heat, then add 2 tablespoons of peanut oil or sunflower oil, then add the marinated oxtail to it. You want to make sure you brown the oxtail in the oil for about 10 minutes and don't overcrowd the pot. You can do this in batches and then flip over to the other side and make sure they are completely brown and nice. Okay, be sure to flip over to the other side once one side is nicely brown, and this has been cooking on medium heat. So guys, once your oxtail pieces are evenly browned, take them out of the oil. Repeat the same process with the remaining pieces of the oxtail. So guys, once you're done browning your oxtail, you can still make use of the same pot. You can add a little bit of oil to it, or if your oxtail has rendered some oil into the pot, you can still make use of it. Now, go in with half diced onion. Saute for 3 minutes or until fragrant. Next, go in with 2.5 tablespoons of tomato paste. Cook for 3 minutes, then go in with 4 diced fresh tomatoes. You can also use canned tomatoes. Now add a teaspoon of crushed Scotch Bonnet. Okay, this is really spicy, so you have to go easy with the spices. Now cook until the tomato is soft. Go in with 1 cup of dried red wine, 4 cups of chicken stock, You can now season your stew with half teaspoon of curry powder, half teaspoon of dried rosemary. You can also use the fresh one. Half teaspoon of browning, a tablespoon of beef seasoning. Return the marinade back into the stew. For the sake of flavor, you can add in 2 celery stalk. Okay, this has been chopped into smaller pieces. And now return the braised oxtail pieces into the stew. Browning your oxtail first adds lots of flavor to this stew. Okay, don't miss that part. You can now test and adjust any other seasoning. Once all these seasonings are nicely combined, add in 2 bay leaves. Then place a lid over it and cook for 1 hour 20 minutes while stirring intermittently. Guys, our oxtail stew has been cooking for 1 hour 20 minutes. If after cooking this for an hour plus and yours isn't soft, you can add more cooking time to this and allow your oxtails to cook until they are perfectly soft. So go in with 2 medium carrots. Okay, my carrots have been cut into nice shapes. And 5 medium potatoes, I've cut them into nice shapes as well. I'm using red potatoes. You can use any other potatoes of your choice. Okay, just mix these and let everything combine together. Now you're going to cook this for another 40 minutes until the meat is totally tender and all the veggies are soft and nice. Cover and cook your oxtail on medium heat until perfectly done. After cooking this for 40 minutes, this is what we have. The stew has thickened up. This is a typical Jamaican oxtail stew that features full of the bone tender oxtails, carrots and potatoes. What more can I say? This is absolutely delicious. It satisfies your cravings for hearty comfort food. Okay, at this moment, turn up the heat. This is ready. So guys, this easy oxtail stew is quite delicious and you can also make this at home. It's quite easy to enjoy this with rice. I love mine with rice, or you can easily enjoy this the way it is. Let me know how you enjoy your oxtail stew and how you prepare it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Share this video with your friends. I love to see you very soon. Enjoy your oxtail stew. Bye.